If you want the best clean and wash experience, you need to catch the happy wave at Tidal Wave Auto Spa. When it comes to caring for your car, don't settle for any wash and pay for all the extras. Get the best when you catch the happy wave at your local Tidal Wave Auto Spa.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
It's been a mix of sun and clouds across the area on this Thursday, with more high-level clouds than anything. That's going to continue tonight, and that's going to mean temperatures not quite as chilly tonight as what we had last night. We got down to 25 degrees at the airport in Lawrenceburg early this morning. We got to 57 this afternoon. No rainfall. Those lows are not going to be anywhere close to what they were this morning as we head into late tonight, tomorrow morning. It's going to be mid to upper 30s across the area, staying several degrees above freezing. Mostly cloudy skies as we head through tonight, just that mid to high level cloud cover. But that and a light westerly wind going to keep the lower atmosphere insulated and mixed. So it's only mid to upper 30s for morning lows. And then we get more sunshine through the day, especially midday and afternoon. That allows temperatures well up into the 60s. It looks like mid to upper 60s across the area. And I can't rule out one or two locations in northwest Alabama or northeast Mississippi making a brief run at 70 degrees across the area with sunshine, falling back into the 50s tomorrow evening. And I think we're only dropping into the mid 40s or so for overnight lows Friday night into Saturday early morning. Clouds on the increase for Saturday, but still some sun at times. Lower 60s with our southeasterly winds. And then late Saturday night, most likely after midnight, toward the early morning hours of Sunday, that's when rain knocks on the door and sets us up for an off and on rainy day for our Sunday. No flooding rains expected. Only seeing half an inch to an inch of rain accumulation, if that. So no overly heavy rain. No severe storms expected. So no high winds, no tornado threat, anything like that. We're also significantly too warm for a wintry threat, so none of that activity either, with daytime highs in the upper 40s and lower 50s. Just some rainy conditions, cloudy conditions, and a cool easterly breeze with low pressure sitting off to the south near the Gulf Coast. That moves out of the way Sunday night, maybe a lingering shower into Monday morning, and then we're back to sunshine for the middle of next week. Mid to upper 60s here for Friday, still in the lower 60s on Saturday. And then clouds and showers keep us near 50 degrees, within a couple degrees either side of 50 for Sunday, but that's not an Arctic air mass. Notice that overnight lows for the next 7 days above freezing. And once we get the clouds out of here, we're right back into the mid to upper 50s to near 60 as we head deeper into next week. No big signs of Arctic air for at least the next 7 to 10 days, maybe 14 days. We'll watch toward the middle of the month, but that's really too far out to have a lot of confidence. But there may be a shift back toward colder air as we head toward the middle of the month. We'll watch that carefully. But overall, that far out, you only look at large-scale trends. You can't see exact details. Overnight forecast for tonight, dropping out the 40s into the 30s, but it's only upper 30s tonight for most of us. Maybe a 36, 37 here and there with mostly cloudy skies as we head toward daybreak. And then on your Friday, a nice day out there, mid to upper 60s across the region, partly cloudy skies. And again, one or two locations across northwest Alabama, northeast Mississippi may make a brief run at 69 or 70 degrees. You know how the Muscle Shoals Airport often comes in a couple degrees warmer than everybody else surrounding it? It may make a run at 69 or 70 tomorrow afternoon. So it'll be a nice preview of spring, but winter is not over, and I want to make that very clear. We'll probably have more cold air as we head deeper into our February. Partly sunny skies for Friday and Saturday. A few showers starting after midnight Saturday night. Sunday looking rainy at times, cloudy, rainy, and cool. Daytime highs near 50. No wintry concerns, no flooding concerns, no severe storm concerns. Just some rain that will help work further and further to erase what's left of the drought across the area, but we still have a little farther to go in the long-term rainfall deficits. Lingering showers in the Monday morning possible, and then back to sunny conditions toward the middle of next week. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.